Greetings and welcome to this BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette blue Ice Queen look. And this one is quite a bit darker than the silver blue look that I've done with this palette. This one uses magnetic, polar, and ombre. It's a really quick application around the 10-minute mark, a little bit less. I started off using magnetic with a fluffy brush, and I brought that in across the whole lid and then up on the hood, so above my natural crease line, up to the hood to give it a little bit more space on my eye, given my hooded eyes. And I just tried to blend this in and rub it into the eyes so that it wasn't too dark. Then I went in to polar and I used a flat brush to press that into the magnetic in the center of the eye and just give it some pop on the middle of the eye to bring it forward. Then I went into ombre and I used a smaller angled brush, so really a medium-sized brush, to apply that along the brow bone and then up from the inner corner on the inside as well. Then I went back into magnetic with that same fluffy brush that I started out with, and I just darkened up the outer corner of the eyes, and then I wiped up the excess with the makeup cloth just to reshape it. Then, using magnetic still, I went in with a pencil brush and brought that across most of the lower lash line and then up along the line of the outside of the eyeshadow on the eye. Then going back into the angled brush that I used with the ombre, I just blended that all together a little bit better and then even a little bit deeper with the pencil brush. And then I went in with a cleaned pencil brush to put a little bit more ombre on to lighten it up on the inside corner of the eye. And you can see the difference that I just showed you there between the one that I had done the highlight with and the one that I didn't. And then I took the pencil brush along the lower lash line and I just rubbed that along there to lighten it up on the inside portion of the lower lash line. Then I went back into the magnetic shimmer, and this time I wet it using setting spray. So as usual, I put it on the small flat angled brush and then I sprayed the brush, and you'll see here that I'm applying it to the outside portion of the eye on the lash line, both on the upper and lower lash line, just to give it a little bit more depth. Then I used that same brush, I cleaned it off, and then I went into the ombre shimmer and I wet that the same way, and I just put a tiny little highlight on the lower portion of the lid in the center on top of the polar, which is layered on top of the magnetic, so just to give that a little bit more pop, and you can really see that in that picture there. This is the completed look. Super simple, quick to apply, an icy blue look. Thanks for watching and have a great day.